Good morning children. In Maths, we started learning chapter 2, that is addition. Moving on to our next class, we are going to learn today. Here we have adding 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. So let's see, 27 plus 15, both are 2-digit numbers. So we'll write 27 plus 15. We'll see how we are going to add this. There are two methods for adding. We are going to learn the first method here. So 27 means 2 tens plus 7 ones, that we have written here. So 27 is 2 tens plus 7 ones. And the next number 15, we write it as 1 10 plus 5 ones. And we are going to add this. So we get, first we will add the ones. 7 plus 5, we get 12 ones. Next we are moving on to the tens place. 2 plus 1, we get 3 tens. So this is the answer when we add 27 plus 15. 3 tens plus 12 ones. Here again 12 ones we are going to split. 12 ones means 1 10 plus 2 ones. So we got now 3 tens plus 1 10 plus 2 ones, that is 12 ones we split it into 1 10 plus 2 ones. So the answer 3 tens plus 1 10, we add it and we get 4 tens plus 2 ones. So the answer is 42. We'll look at another example. Here we have 36 plus 45. So how we are going to do it? First 36, it has 3 tens and 6 ones. We write it that 3 tens plus 6 ones. The next number 45, we write it as 4 tens plus 5 ones. And we are going to add this first, the ones position 6 plus 5, we get 11. So we get 11 ones. And the tens position 3 plus 4, here we have 7 tens. Next step what we have to do? We have to split the 11 ones. So 11 ones is equal to 1 10 plus 1 ones. Now what we have got? We have got 7 tens plus 1 10 plus 1 ones. We have to add the tens. We have 7 tens plus 1 10. So 7 plus 1 is 8 and we write it as 8 tens and the remaining 1 ones. So 8 tens plus 1 ones is the answer, that is 81. We get the answer 81. When we add 36 plus 45, the answer is 81. Now let's see another example. Here we have 2 tens plus 16 ones. And what is the answer? We get 3 tens plus 6 ones, that is 36. Here 16 ones we are going to split. 16 ones means 1 10 6 ones. So we are going to write 1 10 plus 6 ones. So we have 2 tens plus 1 10 plus 6 ones. So the total we get 2 tens plus 1 10 is 3 tens and the remaining 6 ones we are writing here and the answer is 36. Let's look at the next example. Here we have 4 tens plus 22 ones. We are going to split this 22 ones. 22 ones means 2 tens plus 2 ones. We already have 4 tens here. With that we have to add 4 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 6 tens and the remaining 2 ones is there. So 6 tens plus 2 ones is equal to 62. So hope you are clear with this. This is the first method. Now we have an activity. For this you can take your notebook, write today's date and write down the question. We have add 28 plus 48. Pause the video and do it. Once you have done, you can come back. Now let's check the answer. Here we have 28. That means 2 tens and 8 ones. So, we write it as 2 tens plus 8 ones. The next number we have 48. So, we will write 48 has 4 tens and 8 ones. Now, we will add. When we add, we have to add from the ones position. So, 8 plus 8, that is 16. So, we will write it as 16 ones. Then we will move on to the tens position. We have 2 tens plus 4 tens. So, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 tens. Now, we have to split this 16 ones. It is 1 10 plus 6 ones. So, we write as 6 tens plus 1 10 plus 6 ones. Now, we have to add the tens position. 6 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 7 tens and 6 ones. So, the answer we get is 76. Now, we will move on to the second method. Here we have 27 plus 16. So, how we have written? We have tens position and ones position. 27 plus 16. We will start calculating from the right side, that is from the ones position. So, first we have to add 7 plus 6. How much is 7 plus 6? It is 13. So, we got 13. Now, we are not going to write 13 here. What we are going to do is write the right side number, that is 3. You have to write it here, and the remaining one you need to carry over to the tens position. So, we got 13. We wrote number 3 here and the number 1 of 13, we took it here to the tens position. Now, we have here 1 plus 2 plus 1. We have to add this. So, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. After that, we need to add 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So, what is the answer? 27 plus 16 is equal to 43. We got the answer 43. Let us take another example. Here we have 36 plus 45. So, we wrote T is tens and 0 is ones. So, 36 plus 45. We have to add from the ones position. What is 6 plus 5? It is 11. So, what we are going to do? We got 11. But we are not going to write 11 as such. We are writing the right side one here and the next one we are going to carry over to the tens position. So, 1 we have written here and here is the other one. So, we have to calculate it. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And what is the answer? It is 81. So, this is the second method for adding two-digit numbers. Now, let us do the activity. Take down your notebook and write down the questions. You have 63 plus 28 and the second question 35 plus 45. Now, write down, and after you have done, we can check the answer. So, hope you have done. Now, let us check the answer. We have 63 plus 28. So, 63 plus 28. We have to add from the right side from the ones position. So, first we have to add 3 plus 8. What is 3 plus 8? It's 11. We wrote 1 here and we took the carryover 1 here. Now, we have to calculate 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 2. How much we get? 7 plus 2, it is 9, and the answer is 91. So, we can write this here 91. 1. Our next question, 35 plus 45. 35 plus 45. We have to add 5 plus 5 first. So, what is 5 plus 5? It is 10. So, write 0 here and take the 1 here. Now, we have to add 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 and the answer is 80. So, 35 plus 45 is 80. Hope you have done it correctly. Next, we have 85 plus 76. Here you are having 100 tens ones. Now, let us calculate. Always we will start calculating from the right side. So, here we can 5 plus 6 is 11. The 1 here I have written here and the carry over here. So, 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 7 is 16. So, we got 16 here, but we don't have anything in the hundreds place. So, we are writing the number 16 as such. Now, we have got a 3-digit number and it is 161. So, let us do another activity. You have 2 questions here. First is 62 plus 59 and the second question 55 plus 55. So, once you have done, we will check the answer. So, now let us check the answer. You have 62 plus 59. First, we will calculate the ones position. It is 2 plus 9 is 11. So, 1 here and the 1 carry over here. So, 1 plus 6, 7 and 7 plus 5. So, what is the answer? It is 121. So, 62 plus 59 is equal to 121. Next, we have 55 plus 55. First, we will calculate the ones position. 5 plus 5 is 10. So, 0 we are writing here and we are writing the carry over on top of the tens place. So, we will calculate 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11. So, we get the answer 110. Now, here we are going to add 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. We have 134 plus 35. 134 is a 3-digit number and 35 is a 2-digit number. So, how we can write it? 134 and 35 has tens and ones. So, you can't write 3 under 1 because it is hundreds position. So, you have to write 35 first 3 in the tens position. So, under 3 comes 3 and 35 is ones position. You have to write 5 under 4. Now, we need to calculate it. So, what is 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5 is 9. So, we write that here. Here 3 plus 3 is 6 and here in the first number we have a 3-digit, in the second number we have a 2-digit. So, there is no number in the hundreds place. So, just write 1 under. So, we get the answer 169. So, let us do another activity. Here we have 2 questions. First question 124 plus 24 and the second question 142 plus 25. So, you can pause the video, write the answer, come back. Now, let us check the answer. We have 124 plus 24. So, always check the place value when writing it down. So, 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4 and here there is nothing in the hundreds place. So, we can write 1 down. It is 148. So, 124 plus 24 we got 148. Next question 142 plus 25. 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. And this one we write here, we get the answer 167. So hope you understood what all was taught today. Now you can take your text and take page number 22. Here you have exercise to do. You can do that and we'll be checking the answers in the next class. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.